Emergency crews on site and in hospitals have worked round the clock, and we commend them and their reflection of our compassionate, resilient character as a people. I also take note of the Kenyans who took to social media to encourage one another, to spread hope, and hold those distorting information to account. Kenyans showed the world the best part of us: brave, patriotic, loving, and unbowed. Fellow citizens, for the last few years, you have invested in our building a strong security system. It showed to great credit yesterday.